How to back up OBS Studio settings. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a JMV technology support expert. Today I'll show you 2 ways to back up your OBS Studio settings. Backups are crucial to prevent losing work due to errors, reformatting, switching devices, or sharing with team members. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. First backup method, click File, then Show Settings folder. These files contain your OBS settings. Copy all and save to a secure location, external drive, cloud, or another PC. Close OBS before copying. To restore, paste these files back to the same path, replacing existing ones. Second method, backup profile and scene collection settings. This is the most organized way, especially if you work on multiple projects. Profile settings include stream details like server link, stream key, bitrate, resolution, codec, etc. The scene collection saves all your scenes, sources, layouts, filters, transitions, and AV devices. If you want to understand profiles and scenes better, we have a specific tutorial. Click the card above to watch it. To back up, click on Profile. If you have multiple profiles, select the right one and click Export. Choose where you want to save the file. For scenes, click on Scene Collection. Select the right collection, click Export and Save. Exporting creates a folder for profiles and a JSON file for scene collections, both named accordingly. When you want to restore these files, click Profile, Import, and select the folder you saved. For scenes, go to Scene Collection, Import. Click the 3 dots, select the JSON file, and click Import. I recommend doing both types of backup. This way, if one fails, you have a spare copy to ensure your settings are safe. If you're looking for a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans. Stream to your site and multiple social networks at once, plus get exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us on social media for more content like this.